Okay, the Nerf war consists of Clark and Kim, say hi, versus Tyler and Brett.
We're gonna blow your brains out.
Ready?
Set.
On your mark,
Set.
get set,
Kick some butt.
go!
You guys are jackrabbits.
I like how Clark's behind me.
Clark, show your gun! What gun do you have, Clark? Clark with this little mini cricket! Clark's lost his one bullet. And Kim's out of ammo! Attack! Attack! Woo! Ooh, and she's being chased. And the winners, it looks like, are Tyler and Brett. And they're still going. Kim and Clark's defeated. And he can't find his bullet still. His one little bullet. Kim's trying to reload. Clark's reloaded his one bullet. Oh, fail. Wouldn't work. And everyone needs to reload.
Shoot it, Tyler.